Guys, I'm back with the chicken that I marinated the other day, and I couldn't show you a marinade without showing you the results. So this is our lovely marinated lemon chicken, and as I'm experimenting with the air fryer, yes, it's going straight in the air fryer. So just make sure this is set. Right, so as I said, this is going straight into the air fryer. Let's get a pair of tongs. And it's actually quite nice because obviously I've got to marinate the chicken overnight, which is even better. It's always better if you can do it overnight. Alright, I'm putting this onto tin foil. Sorry, I've gone a bit quiet. Alright. There we are. And so we're left with the leftover marinade at the bottom. So I'm just going to pour that all over our chicken. And I'll tell you, I'm actually really happy with the smell of it. So I'm looking forward to using it in a few weeks or even a week later to see how nice and how different it will taste after it's been left for a while. So, right, we are cooking drumsticks. So, as I say, if you are using an air fryer and not the oven, do check your own air fryer's wattage and timing for food. So guys, this is going in for 20 minutes. And I can't wait to see the results. And I'll see you in 20 minutes. So I'm back, guys. The chicken is cooked. And oh, that smells incredible. So gonna give you a little peek, and I'll bring you over so you can have a look. And that is it, darlings. That is my lemon and herb chicken inspired by Simply Cook. And 20 minutes to cook. Your marinade's already made. So when you want to do it next time with maybe a different meat or try something new, it's already done for you. I need to go and have my dinner because I didn't get to do it yesterday, and now I'm going to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you come back to me soon. Take care, guys.